My dear students, in my previous video, I have solved some problems in the topic ellipse. Now, in this video, I am going to derive the standard equation of hyperbola. The eccentricity of the hyperbola is greater than 1. E is greater than 1. If E is less than 1, it represents ellipse, we know. And if E is equal to 1, it is parabola. Now, we are going to derive the standard equation of hyperbola. For that, I consider A and A dash are the vertices of the hyperbola. A and A dash are the vertices of the hyperbola. S and S dash, S and S dash are the foci of the hyperbola. L and L dash, A and A dash are the vertices of the hyperbola. S and S dash are the foci. L and L dash are the directrices of the hyperbola. Now, the perpendicular bisector of A dash, the line A, the line segment A dash, the foot of the perpendicular bisector of the line A dash is C. The foot of the perpendicular A dash, foot of the perpendicular bisector of A, perpendicular bisector. The foot of the perpendicular bisector of A dash is C. And CA represents CA produced as x-axis. CA produced as x-axis. CA produced as x-axis and perpendicular bisector from C as y-axis. Perpendicular bisector of A dash is y-axis. CY is the y-axis. CA produced as x-axis and the perpendicular bisector CY is the y-axis. C 0 0 origin, C center 0 0 is the center of the hyperbola. C the origin C 0 0 is the center of the hyperbola. A comma 0 and A dash minus A comma 0 are the vertices of the hyperbola. So CA, distance CA equal to CA dash equal to A. So CA equal to CA dash equal to distance A. Now the points A and A dash divide the line segment SZ. The points A and A dash divide SZ internally and externally. The point A and A dash divide SZ internally and externally in the ratio D is to 1 respectively. A divides SZ internally in the ratio E is to 1. A dash divides SZ externally in the ratio E is to 1. So A and A dash divide SZ internally and externally in the ratio E is to 1 respectively. A divides internally, A dash divides externally the line SZ in the ratio E is to 1. So from that I get SA by A is SA by A is equal to E by 1. From this expression I get, so I am going to erase in the top. Listen. Since A divides SZ internally in the ratio E is to 1, we get SA by AZ equal to E by 1. SA by AZ equal to E by 1. Since A divides SZ, SA by AZ equal to E by 1, so SA equal to E into AZ. Because A divides SZ, internally in the ratio is 1. So SA is nothing but CS minus CA. SA is CS minus CA equal to E into AZ is CA minus CZ. CA minus CZ. So SCS we don't know. CA is A. E into CA is A. Minus CZ we don't know. You consider this equation 1. CS minus A equal to CA is A. E into CA is A minus CZ. Similarly, A dash divides SZ externally in the ratio is 2. Similarly, yes, A dash by A dash is equal to E by 1 because A dash divides SZ externally in the ratio is 1. Therefore, S A dash equal to E into A dash Z. Yes, A dash. How can I write S A dash? Yes, CS plus C A dash. S A dash is CS plus C A dash equal to E into A dash is that. A dash is that is A dash C A dash plus C Z. C A dash plus C Z is A dash is that. C A dash plus C Z. So this is again substituting the values here. CS plus C A dash is A. C A dash is also A. E into C A dash is A plus C Z. You call this equation number 2. Adding one of the equations 1 and 2, we will get CS. Adding the equations 1 and 2. Adding the equation 1 and 2. 1 is CS minus A equal to E into A minus CZ. 2. CS plus A equal to E into A plus CZ. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Adding these two, A cancel, you get A cancel 2CS equal to E into CZ cancels, you get 2A. So 2CS equal to 2AE. 2AE, cancelling 2 on both sides, CS equal to AE. CS equal to AE, therefore S coordinate of the first is AE, 0 and CS dash is also AE negative direction minus AE, 0. S dash is minus AE, 0. So CS we have determined AE. So CS is AE, so S is AE, 0. CS dash is minus AE, the direction of negative direction, so minus AE, 0. Now, subtract 1 from the equation 2. Here, CS we determined. Now, 2 minus 1. Subtracting 2 minus 1. Next idea. Minus 1. 2 is CS plus A equal to E into A plus CZ. This is 2. Minus 1 is CS minus A equal to E into A minus CZ. This is equation 1. Subtracting, that means you will get this is minus and it becomes plus, it's become minus and this become plus. So CS plus CS minus CS cancel, A plus A 2A you get 2A on the left hand side because CS cancel. Similarly, A plus A minus A cancel, you will get 2E into CZ plus CZ is 2CZ. So 2 you will get cancel both sides. A by E equal to CZ. From this you will get A by E equal to CZ. You bring this E to the left hand side, 2 to cancel, you will get A by E. A by E equal to CZ. From this, I will get CZ. The case Z A by E comma 0, Z axis minus A by E comma 0. Okay. Now, since Z is A by E comma 0, this directrix equation is x equal to A by E. This is the line x equal to A by E, and this is minus A by E comma 0 implies the directrix is x equal to minus A by E. Okay? Now, let us consider a point P x comma y, any point on the hyperbola. We will consider the equation. For deriving the standard equation, we will consider a point P x comma y is any point on the hyperbola. P x comma y is any point on the hyperbola. Consider the point. Like that we determine CS and CZ. Now let us consider any point P x comma y on the hyperbola. Draw PM perpendicular to L is L, directrix line L is L. Let P x comma y be any point on the hyperbola. Draw PM perpendicular to the directrix line L. PM perpendicular to the directrix line L, directrix line L, perpendicular to L. So the coordinates of M, because this is A by E and this is Y, distance is Y. So A by E comma Y, the coordinates of M is A by E comma Y, P is x comma Y. By the definition of conic, SP by PM equal to E, we know. SP by PM. SP by PM equal to E. By definition of conic, from this cross multiplying, you will get SP equal to E into PM, squaring both sides. SP square equal to E square into PM square. Now distance formula using the both sides, using distance formula. SP square is distance between S and P. SP square is x minus AE the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to E square into x minus AE the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to PM square is x minus A by E the whole square. PM square is x minus A by E the whole square plus y minus y the whole square. So this is x square minus 2aEx plus E square A square E square. 2aEx, this is A square E square plus y minus 0 whole square is y square equal to, again this is E square into x square minus 2a by Ex plus A square by E square plus y minus y 0. Okay, this is your left hand side. This is x E square into x square minus 2a by Ex plus A square by E square plus y minus y 0 whole square. Now, again by simplifying, 2 minus, this is x square minus 2aEx plus A square E square plus y square equal to, bring this E square inside, E square into x square minus 2a by E and E square is 2aEx plus E square cancel, you get only A square. Now eliminating e square a minus 2ax on both sides, you will get x square plus a square e square plus y square equal to e square x square plus a square. You bring a square to the left hand side, you will get a square e square minus a square equal to e square x square. Bring this x square to the right hand side, it becomes minus x square plus y square. If you take it to the right hand side, it becomes minus y square. Taking a square common, you will get e square minus 1 equal to, if you take x square common in the term, you will get e square minus 1 minus y square. Now divide throughout by a square and e square minus 1. Divide throughout by a square e square minus 1. A square into e square minus 1 by a square into e square minus 1 equal to x square into e square minus 1 by a square into e square minus 1 minus y square by a square into e square minus 1. Cancelling both sides is 1 equal to e square minus 1 e square minus 1, numerator and denominator cancel. You will get x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, where b square is a square into e square minus 1. That's all. This equation can be expressed as x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. You rewrite this equation, you will get C. From this expression left and right, you interchange, you will get x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. It is the standard equation of the hyperbola, where b square equal to a square into e square minus 1. That's all about the bookwork. Okay, this is the standard equation, x square by a square minus y square b square equal to 1, where b square is a square into e square minus 1, where e is greater than 1. That's all about the standard equation of the hyperbola. We will discuss this hyperbola, the concepts of the hyperbola, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.